Nifty, what do you make of the stability? The stability makes the market healthy going into the next week.
Hey, good morning. See, the overall trend for market was negative in this earlier this week. If you look at it, there was a huge fall. We saw 400, 500 points correction few days back, but market managed to stabilize around that 17,000 mark and showing some bounce back from there. So I think it's going to be the coming week is going to be a consolidation, because after such a sharp decline, it's going to be a consolidation. We need some base formation happening from here. I do not see a very sharp rally or either a fall on the downside. For short term, the support is going to be around 17,250 mark. On the upside, crossing that 17,500 is going to be important, because there is a lot of OI buildup on the call side that we are seeing at 17,500. So crossing that is not going to be an easy task. And so the range can be 17,500 to 17,250 as of now. If we manage to cross that 17,500 levels, then yes, further higher side can be seen. So buy on dips essentially for now, but do not be surprised if we see sharp reversals happening, which we have witnessed few days back.
Ashish, good afternoon. This is Cheryl also joining in the conversation. So in this context, what picks are you going to advise for your viewers today?
Given the fact that we are seeing some kind of attraction in the mid-cap space and that's buzzing around, the first stock pick is going to be Chambal Fertilizer. We can clearly see after the low formed at 350, stock showed a very sharp rise to get support from 20 days average. Looks like starting a fresh breakout on the upside. So go long on Chambal Fertilizer with a stop loss of 400 for the target of 443. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be Z Entertainment and Enterprise, and we can clearly see it was consolidating for quite some time. There is a positive news as well around that, but the gap there is a gap up opening. It's sustaining there for now. If it manages to close around this area, I think further higher levels can be observed. The target will be 387, and the stop loss has to be maintained, which is just below the gap area, is at 340.
All right, so those are the picks coming in from Ashish this afternoon for the viewers. And just to recap them, it's a buy on Z as well as buy on Chambal Fert. On that note, thank you, Ashish, for joining us on the show, giving us a take on the market as well as sharing your